Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today I want to talk about two events. Okay, but I want to focus on one of the events, which is the US CPI. Okay, so basically we have this what do you call consumer price inflation. Hold on, yeah, I just quickly check what's the exact term. Okay, consumer price index. Yes, consumer price index. Okay, so we have this news coming up. Okay, uh, basically market's going to look at it. How's the inflation or the price increase that has been plaguing US for the last 1 year or versus a month ago. Okay, so if the numbers are very high, okay, which is expected, the inflation is going to be a bit higher. Okay, so we might expect some movement in US dollar or even gold. Okay, so let's look at gold impact. Okay, what uh, might move gold price for tonight. Okay, so this is gold. Okay, I think there are with some negative news that surrounded Ukraine Russia since the invasion by Russia on the 24th February. I think gold price has shot up from all the way from 1800 to close to 2070. Okay, but in the last 3-4 days, okay, we are getting some good news or probably potentially a ceasefire, okay, between both Ukraine and Russia. Okay, initially there are two rounds of talks between representatives on both sides, on Ukraine and Russia. Okay, that moves the market a bit lower. Okay, but no diplomatic solution or anything actually achieved. But I think tonight we have a foreign minister, Russia foreign minister and Ukraine foreign minister. They are having a diplomatic discussion at Turkey. Okay, so I think with the Ukraine mentioning that possibly, okay, they probably will not continue with the NATO membership or to apply to become a part of NATO member. Okay, and also Russia is not moving or being a bit aggressive. I think that actually pushed gold a bit lower yesterday. So we can see, I think the drop yesterday was almost from here. Okay, if we take here, okay, so the drop is almost about $80. Okay, or $70 yesterday. Okay, it dropped, and today it dropped a bit further from all the way from 2050 or 2050 all the way down initially to about 1980 zone or 1970 to be exact. I think yesterday it went down to about 1980 and then it closed around around 1990. Okay, but this morning it actually made another lower low. Okay, so it created another lower low around 1970. Okay, and then trying to bounce back. So it went up to about 1990. Okay, but then dropped back again almost about $15, and now it's actually ranging around 1980. Okay, so what's next? We probably see gold maybe make a bit of a what do you call correction upwards. Okay, maybe it probably try to come and test again this 1990 level. Okay, and close to 2000. Okay, once it reaches this psychological number or big round number 2000, we expect maybe a bit of a rejection or correction. But at this point, I think probably we will see 2010. Okay, around this zone, 2000 to 2010 might become a what do you call resistance. Okay, before it continue further down. Okay, assuming there's no ceasefire or no diplomatic solution being achieved in today's discussion, I think gold probably will come back and make a rebound to test higher. But then if let's say some positive news coming out from that meeting, okay, between Ukraine and Russia foreign ministers, then probably we will see gold pushing lower to create another lower low around somewhere here, which is I think about 1960 to around 1950. Okay. So US CPI data maybe probably will have some impact, or maybe can give a bit of a boost to US dollar strength. Okay. But at this point, I think 1970 maybe act as a support. Maybe with the I don't know how it's going to move. Okay. But even if it's the data is quite what do you call within the range, maybe you come back and test probably creating double bottom or probably triple bottom, okay, around 1970 to 1975 before push a bit higher. But I think this support might be broken if there's any ceasefire or any diplomatic solution being achieved. Other than that, otherwise, we expect gold to rebound a bit further, okay, to around 2000 to 2010 zone, okay, before probably consolidate and then probably make a move a bit lower or continue higher to around 2020 to 2030 zone. So this is a Fibonacci level right now. As you can see, Fibo 38.2 is sitting around 2010. Okay, and then of course this is a big number, so this would be the zone to watch out for if you want to sell on rally. Otherwise, just wait for probably around 1960 to 1950 to buy on dip. Okay, to go on the scalping or intraday mode. Okay, this is not to go for a swing buy at this point, because I think some positive news coming out from Ukraine Russia issue, so we will expect probably gold to make a bit of a correction here and then bounce back, and hopefully within next 1 or 2 days with some positive news coming out, then this become a resistance to move the price from here, okay, to make another new lower low. Okay guys, so that's the analysis on the gold for tonight or maybe for the next few days. Okay guys, thanks very much. Okay, have a nice day.